Well, we got a little break in the weather in mid-December, so I thought we'd do a Christmas-style Rusty Rescues. And what's more Christmassy than green? So we dragged home a 1941 John Deere H. She's pretty rough, but the engine's loose, so that's a good start. And didn't get much video over at the barn where it was sitting as we were talking to the folks that had it, but we'll get this thing unloaded, and we're not quite done for the day yet. Well, in light of the holiday season, you can't have green without some red. So this is a pretty interesting farm haul. This is local to me. I know the whole history of this tractor. It was bought brand new during World War II. Originally came on steel. Have the original rear steel wheels for it. Don't have the fronts, but it's been sitting here a pretty long time. As you can see the dirt line on the front tires. We got the winch cable on here. We're gonna get her yanked out and hopefully get this thing fully restored, put it back on its original steel, and engine's locked up, so it'll be interesting to see how bad the internals are, but let's get this thing loaded up. Well, there you have it, folks. We got a couple more rescues in the books for the awful 2020 season. We beat the rain, just barely. So Merry Christmas from ours to yours. And in closing, we got the 1927 Fordson tractor all dolled up for the holidays. Cheers, folks.